In this video, we will explore Copilot on Windows, the built-in AI assistant included with Lenovo Copilot Plus PCs. Copilot on Windows 11 is designed to help you work, study, and plan different activities using natural language so you can simply talk to your computer instead of typing. To get started, click on the Windows search bar. Then search for Copilot and select it. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key C to activate it. On supported machines, you can use the dedicated Copilot key present on the keyboard to turn on Copilot. The first time you use voice with Copilot, you may be asked to allow microphone access. Confirm this so Copilot can listen and respond to you. Then, in the Copilot window, click on the Open sidebar icon in the upper left. Select your account icon, then click Settings. Scroll down until you find the Voice Mode category. Turn on the option to listen to the wake word, "Hey Copilot," so you can start conversations hands-free. With Voice Mode enabled and your PC unlocked, you can now simply say,
"Hey Copilot."
Wait for Copilot to start listening.
Hey there, what's on your mind today?
And then ask your question or give it a task.
"Can you help me solve this math problem?"
Copilot will process your voice, speak its response aloud, and show a text transcript in the chat window. Copilot can also understand what you see on your screen using a feature called Copilot Vision. When you open the Copilot app, click on the glasses icon in the Composer. Then choose the screen or app you want to share. Copilot will use that view as context while you talk to it. You remain in control at all times and can stop sharing by selecting Stop or closing the Share preview. Some capabilities may depend on your Windows version and region. Let's look at a few practical ways to use Copilot with your voice and screen. Imagine you're studying and have a long physics article open. With the page visible, share your window with Copilot Vision. Then say,
"Hey Copilot, can you quickly summarize what the text on the screen is about?"
You're working on a Microsoft Word document about physics. It covers the basics, defining physics as the study of matter, energy, and force, mentioning its historical development and how advances in physics have led to new technologies. Need help with anything specific in your document?
You can ask Copilot to explain features inside other programs. Open a PowerPoint presentation and share that window with Copilot. Start by saying,
"Can you see the proofing option in the program I'm using right now?"
Yes, I see the proofing option at the top of the Microsoft PowerPoint window in the Review tab. It includes tools like spelling, thesaurus, and translate. What would you like to do with it?
"Can you tell me how this proofing option can help me in designing a presentation?"
The proofing option in Microsoft PowerPoint helps you ensure your presentation is polished and professional. It checks spelling, offers grammar suggestions, and provides a thesaurus for finding synonyms. This helps you avoid errors and use varied language, enhancing the clarity and impact of your message. It's a great tool for fine-tuning your slides.
for travel ideas, Copilot can work directly from your photos. With a picture open, just ask Copilot where the photo was taken.
"Can you tell me where this picture was taken?"
That picture was taken at the City of Arts and Sciences in Valencia, Spain. Quite a striking place, isn't it?
"Can you help me plan a trip there?"
Absolutely. Valencia, Spain is wonderful. Consider visiting the City of Arts and Sciences, or perhaps the historic Old Town. And don't forget to enjoy some paella by the beach. Which part interests you most so we can dive into details?
You can even use Copilot to shop smarter based on what's on your screen. Open a picture or a video of a product you like and share it with Copilot. Say,
"What model of chair is this and where could I get one from?"
That's the Lenovo Omni Chair. You can look for it on various furniture retail websites or check out their official site for purchasing options. Want to know more about it?
Throughout all these examples, remember that you choose when Copilot listens and what it can see. Voice activation and screen sharing are opt-in features, and you can turn them off or end a session at any time. To learn more about your Lenovo AI PC, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.